Hey everybody, today I'm just going to do a quick tool haul. I got two different box cutters from Lowe's, a 25mm and 18. I have plenty of box cutters, but the reason I bought these was because I wanted the tightening screws out of them, mechanisms out of them, because I have some older metal box cutters that look just like these, and the screw and mechanism broke. So, part number on the Pro 18mm is BN-L11154117, and part number on the 25mm is EH-111217663. These are the click tighten style, and hope you like the review, and please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.